Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Za'Kameleon, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to sugar your legs. I already made another tutorial on how to make your own sugar wax at home, and I'm just going to show you in this video how I use it on myself. So stay tuned. For this video, the supplies you're going to need are your sugar wax, obviously, and some powder, a plastic bag so that you're not making a mess all over your place, and so that everything can be confined to one area. And that's really all that you need. And yeah, so keep on watching and you will see how I sugar my legs. Okay, so you're going to need some baby powder. Sugar wax that I just made. Okay, so now that you have your powdered legs, I'm going to take the sugar wax that you made. I'm going to grab a little bit of that. And kind of make a bowl. This wax is really sticky. Okay, but anyways, so this is how I apply it. I keep using it until it starts getting too sticky for me to use. Also, you want to make sure that you're in a cool environment when you're doing this. Kind of want to flick your wrist a little bit as you're doing it. As you can see, we're getting nice and smooth. I don't know if you can see the hair in it, but it's kind of like mixed in now. Still using the same. Kind of spreading out my skin just to make it easier. If you guys can see, my skin is nice and smooth now. I'm going to come back when I'm finished the other side. So this leg is waxed. Gotta do this leg still. Go down. You can see the difference. Look how nice my skin looks. So smooth, so soft. When you're finished, some lotion on or oil. I only have lotion right now, so nice and smooth. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to thumbs up this video, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and stay tuned for my next video.